The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pushmataha County in southeastern Oklahoma, south central of Flore County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:23 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northeast of Neshoba, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Neshoba, Honabi. For your protection, move to an interior floor of a building.